Project Mole Mania. Project Mole Mania. Project Mole Mania. Hello, this is my project called Mole Mania. Today I'll explain the mole concept, including Avogadro's number, and how to use the mole in calculations. What exactly is a mole? A mole is a counting unit used in chemistry to count very small particles like atoms and molecules. One mole contains 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. This large number is called Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number tells us how many particles are in one mole of any substance. It works for atoms, molecules, and ions. It is a very large number that helps chemists count tiny particles. Molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of one mole of a substance measured in grams per mole. We find it using the periodic table. For example, water hydrogen is 1 gram per mole, and there are 2 atoms, so 2 grams. Oxygen is 16 grams per mole, so total molar mass 18 per mole. The mole relationship. The mole connects mass and moles using this formula: N equals mass divided by molar mass. This helps us convert between grams and moles. We can also rearrange the formula to find mass and molar mass. Moles and particles. To convert moles to particles, we multiply by Avogadro's number, so particles equals moles times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. To go the other way, we divide. Example 1. Let's solve an example. We have 16 grams of methane. First, we find the molar mass, which is 16. Then we divide to use the formula. 16 divided by 16 equals 1 mole, so the answer is 1 mole. Example 2. Now we find the mass for moles. We have 2 moles of water, molar mass 18, so mass equal 2 times 18, which equals 36 grams. Now, example 3. Now we convert moles to particles. We have 2 moles, so we multiply by Avogadro's number, so 2 times 6.062 times, so 2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 of 1.204 times 10 to the power 24 particles. Real world hook. A mole is like a dozen. A dozen means 12 items, but a mole means 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 particles. This helps us count very small particles in chemistry. Real life application. The mole is used in real life in medicine. It helps measure correct dosages in industry. It helps produce chemicals and labels. It helps scientists measure substances accurately. The mole triangle. The mole connects 3 things: mass, moles, particles. We divide by molar mass to get moles and multiply by Avogadro's number to get particles. Conclusion. In conclusion, the mole is a very important unit in chemistry. It helps us convert between mass, modes, and particles, and is used in real life world applications. Thank you.